fence is coming down. We've started. Got the gate off. And we've broken through up there too. In our last few warm days, we painted the garage. The paint required 35 degrees or warmer. I think it was just 35. So we painted the shutters too while Maple watched over everything. So much going on here. We got a guy doing siding. How can I get him? He's fixing our siding. We got a guy up there doing tuck pointing. We've got guys that are cutting down our trees, and they're doing the hardest one right now. We got a lot going on. It's a good day. We caulked all the storms. The chimney got a little attention too. Trees are going down. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, tree. Let's check. Man, oh man. There's the big logs out. They got all the trees down. Pile of, they're taking down the hard one now. Almost done with it, incredibly. That is crazy. Not a job I want, but they're doing a great job. House looks so good already. Today's another day of a lot of excitement. So we're leaving Maple in the car while we've got the guys working on they're digging up the stumps, and then we got the guys doing the roof. So another day of a lot of action, but man, does it look good. Garage is almost painted. Diane and I are working on that, so everything's gonna look great. Roof's going on today. They already got one side done. Knocking it out. Wow, new roof today. Shutters are starting to go up. Painted them. We'll paint the front door the same. A lot done. They're coming on Monday to take the tree down, and they came today and cleaned out the stump that was right here. What a bunch of work. This house is looking good. It's a colder day today, and the weather's gonna get really cold, and I'm tired because we've been working hard. But we've got some things done. They did not come take the tree today. There was some mix up on the lift, but we got our fence posts in, and they look pretty plumb. We got some guy coming to take that pile away, and we tore out this other fence that was here, and we're gonna put a short fence back there. This will be chain link along here because there's a drop off into the neighbor's yard, and like I said, that pile's going away. And we cleaned the awnings.